Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Irma. Today's video we're gonna do some light cleaning here in my bedroom and bring in little touches of Christmas over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep it more on the relaxed side because I'm actually not feeling too well for my throat and I don't want to be coughing a lot while I'm talking to you guys. But we're just gonna go ahead and start off by dusting my headboard, and then we're gonna go ahead and make my bed.
Is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away.
So if you're not new over here on my channel, you know I love having white comforters on my bed. So I was sent this one from an Amazon company, which is in the color white, of course, just my favorite one. But this one is actually not a comforter, if not a duvet. I've never had a duvet before, so this is actually the first time, but I am really loving it, and my husband is also. So all I did was for the insert, since I didn't have like a duvet insert, I just added my comforter inside, and in the corners in each side, each four corners, it has a little tie. So I just tied my comforter inside so that it wouldn't slip out. But the best part of this is that besides that it comes with two pillowcases, it has these parts on the bottom of the comforter as well as the edge of the pillowcases, which you would see right now in just a little bit. There is some ribbons on there, and then you just tie a really cute bow, and it just gives the perfect touch to your comforter and to your bed and everything, and it's just so easy. I wanted to tie it a little bit more cuter, so I tried to do a really nice bow, but I just love that. Just the only down part for me is that my bed, although I love my bed so much, I wish it didn't have the footboard, because like I mentioned, the comforter on the bottom part towards the foot area has the ties also, and it's just so cute. But since my bed has the footboard, you can't even see it. So if my bed didn't have it, it would have looked so much better. But I have a discount code for 40% off your purchase if you guys want to go ahead and get one of these as well. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. It is so cute and just so comfortable. Plus the texture on the comforter is just so beautiful. And like I mentioned, if your bed does not have the footrest, it works even perfect, because you're gonna be able to show off and be able to see those cute little ties at the end. But yeah, I will have everything linked down below for you guys.
Learning about a history, love and kindness, we all need a family. Together in my favorite season, let's do it for the right reason.
So now that the comforter's on, we're gonna go ahead and finish fixing up my bed. I'm gonna do it in one certain way here, but then afterwards when I head on to clean my nightstands, you're gonna notice that it's a little bit different. But way towards the end of the video, after I'm showing you all of the afters, the very last clip is actually like a couple of days after that I switched it up, and I think I love it a whole lot more the way I have it now. So make sure you don't click away so you can see the different styles on how I switched up my bedding decor as I was cleaning out the rest of my room.
It must be this time of the year. Surely I've been the owner of a lonely heart. I did my best and knew just how to play my part. Together in
So now that my bed is done, supposedly me for now, I'm gonna go ahead and clear off my dresser, which is a drop and go station. Plus I don't have an office, so this is where I have like my planner laid out and everything always open, so I know what I have to do for the week and so on. But I'm gonna go ahead and quickly clear it off and start wiping it, dusting it all down. Then we're gonna bring in just a little bit of decor over here. I'm also gonna be sharing some candlesticks that are more like aluminum, but they look like they're metal, that I got from Dollar Tree. But there's definitely something like you would find probably like at Hobby Lobby, but with a more better quality, like a more metal style. But I thought they were so cute, and I haven't seen anybody post these around Instagram or YouTube, so I'm not sure if they're new. But if you have seen them, let me know in the comment down below.
I'm sure that it must be this time of the year. Hey mama, I worry about Christmas Day and how big old Santa's gonna fit in our chimney anyway. And mama, what happens if it's just no good? Will it simply move on to the next house in the neighborhood? I don't think I can leave this be. I got too much riding on this, you see. It's me and the chimney tonight. I'm not taking my eyes off of it. Me and the chimney tonight. Right here by the tree is where I'll sit. Me and the chimney. Me and the chimney. Me and the chimney tonight. Hey Papa, don't Santa know that it's dangerous? Can't be up on the roof when there's snow. There's nothing to discuss. I don't think I can let this go.
So all that's left to do is just gather all of my junk and everything that I have over here in this little sofa sitting area. Once I put all of these curtains that I have just washed yesterday away and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly vacuum the floors and everything. And of course there's Sheila popping in like always. But yeah, after I'm done clearing up all of this, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly vacuum my floors, and then I'll share all of the afters with you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you guys a motivation and some ideas to bring a little touch of Christmas to your bedrooms or your kids' rooms. I'm going to be decorating my kids' bathroom and their bedrooms also for Christmas in future videos. So if you are new over here and would like to see more of my videos, go ahead and click that white subscribe button if it is something you guys are interested in. I'd also like to invite you guys to go ahead and check out more of my Christmas videos that are already up, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye guys.